Meaning of garms.
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 Garms. Garms is a slang term that originated in the UK, specifically in London, and is used to refer to clothing or garments. It is most commonly used among young people and has become popularized through music and social media. The term is often associated with streetwear and urban fashion trends. Garms can refer to both new and vintage clothing items, and is often used in a casual or colloquial context. While the term may not be widely recognized outside of certain demographics, it has become an important part of contemporary British youth culture.